how to add a preloader animation to Wix. So for example, let's add it onto this text right here. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click on the text that you have. And then from in there, you can see this animation option. So click on this animation. Now in here, we have in here the animation for entrance as well as for loop and scroll. So for this one, you can choose in here an animation that you want. You can also just review it in order to see what it will look like. So for example, for this one, I'll just choose in here the expand. And from in there, you can head over and then just click on it and then customize it to your liking by clicking on the customize option that you can see right here. Now you can customize its motion style, the direction, saturation, and delay for this one. So that's how you add a preloader animation to Wix. Hope you helped.